SuS, SuS, SuS. Oh, I know, I can do a video about the SuS fair and, talk about how much it sucks. And she said, I ran a poll and asked you guys if you even did the SuS fair and whether or not you know doing it. And 58% of you said you didn't have to do the SuS fair. I've renamed this group of people the lucky. Maybe I don't like science. I just like and watching these. Bill and Neil, they're my buddies.
We'll get back to that later.
Apparently, it's a very American thing, right, guys?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And then we'd have to come up with a shell that we could run an experiment on. Does the temperature of a battery affect how long it will last? What color light produces the most heat? All of which are projects I did. Basically, this was supposed to teach you about the scientific method, but what it really did was teach us how to date and make up data. That sounds like fun. I wish my school did the SuS fair. No one.
No.